What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on PLTR ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we had very good support at the range of about $17.8, and this support holds for several days, as you can see, basically for a couple of weeks. And I've told you that we have a risky setup, but still it is quite a decent setup for the swing traders, and the stop loss was at about 2% to the downside. And the risk to reward ratio was really massive because of recent tops. Right here we had 11%, right here we had about 50% and more than 61% to this previous swing high. So unfortunately we broke it to the downside, but I also told you that for those of you who want to invest in this company, the range is below $18 is extremely juicy as the base of your position. And as you can see, we broke even this yellow line. It is the bottom of our previous swing low, and in my opinion, for now we have some kind of uncertainty with the price. We have two candles with the long wicks. This means a lot of pressure from both sides this stock experiencing right now. So I will continue with my technical analysis in just several minutes, and for now let's continue with the fundamentals of this company. I don't want to dive deep into their financials because in a matter of a couple of weeks we will see their new data. I just want to pay your attention on the news that I didn't cover in my previous video. First of all, we have this article that was published on January the 5th, and it's titled "Palantir and Hyundai Heavy Industries Team Up for Big Data Engineering Platform." And let me quote you this: Hyundai Heavy Industries and Palantir Technologies collaborate to build a big data platform for HHI's core businesses, including shipbuilding and offshore engineering. The two parties also plan to form a joint venture to commercialize big data solutions. Under the terms, both parties will jointly build a big data platform for the group's key affiliates related to shipbuilding and offshore engineering, energy and industrial machinery, pursuant to which HHI Group will provide the affiliates process expertise and sales know-how, whereas Palantir will offer software and development personnel. Hyundai Heavy Industries will deploy Palantir Foundry data platform. So I think it is a very good partnership because HHI Group is one of the biggest industrial group in the world. And let me show you what CEO of these companies said. Ki-San Chung, CEO of Hyundai Holdings, said, "We expect that this partnership with Palantir Technologies will substantially improve the competitiveness of core businesses of the group. It will be an important turning point in innovation of organization culture that changes the way we work using data." HHI Group shaped one of the most significant industries of the 20th century and is absolutely vital to the lives we lead, said Alexander C. Karp, co-founder and chief executive officer of Palantir Technologies. "We are deeply grateful for the opportunity to partner with a company that is not only a leader among the world's industrial giants, but one of those continued growth and success are critical to our collective welfare and security." And nothing to add to these two opinions, and I think it will be another major milestone for the company. Next one, let me show you this article, and it's quite interesting article, I have to say. It was published on January the 7th, and it's titled "Palantir, Fair Value of $5." And the summary is: Palantir stock just slumped to a new 52-week low. Nonetheless, Palantir stock is overpriced, with the market capitalization of $35 billion. Palantir stock is set to fall further due to the lack of defined mode and scalability in the business model. And I have to say that I completely disagree with this article, because it is near to impossible to see the value of the stocks of around $5. And a lot of YouTubers and a lot of analysts also added their opinion in the comment section of this article. And let me show you that the total number of comments during just a couple of days is 517. And other articles related to Palantir collected just 80 comments, 135 comments, 87 comments, 174 comments, and so on and so forth. And this article is extremely popular among all the analysts. And let me show you that if you type PLTR stock on YouTube search bar, you will find a lot of videos related to this particular news. And I highly recommend you to watch this first video made by Tom Nash. He is extremely knowledgeable person, and he made an exact explanation why this article is wrong. So, and let's continue with the institutional investors in this company. We don't have much recent data right now, but we have several companies that added to their position. We just have to keep in mind that this date is the date of filing. It is not the date of the action itself. But all in all, if we will take a look on this picture, it is the institutional ownership of Palantir stocks. And as you can see, the trend is moving higher despite of this decrease in price. The blue line is the price of the stock. And let me show you one more thing. We are on cathysarc.com, and this article tracks the activity on all the ARK funds. And we all know that just 2 weeks ago, they sold about 150,000 of Palantir shares. But let me show you this. On January the 7th, they bought more than 249,000 shares. Right here, on January the 6th, they bought another 430,000 plus shares. Right here, on January the 4th, they bought 189,000 plus shares. January the 3rd, they bought twice, 77.5 and 364, almost 365,000 shares. So this means during only last week they bought more than 1.3 million shares of Palantir. And this is 9 times higher than they sold the week before. This means ARK funds are extremely bullish on Palantir. And I have to say that smart money are heavily investing right now in Palantir. That's why you have to keep an eye on this stock. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, we still don't have any signs of entering the position from the swing trader standpoint, because we don't have higher highs and higher lows, and I don't need this tool for now. But we have extremely juicy entry point for investors. And let me show you that we broke this previous bottom. This means our current price is the price where the company was a year ago, more than a year ago, in mid-November of 2020. And from this point, as you can see, the price of this stock surged up for more than 173% during just 2 months. And I have to say that we won't be at these ranges for a long period of time. This means if you want to invest in this company and if you understand all the business models and all the potential related to this company, you can accumulate your position, because for now it is extremely attractive prices where you can add your position. And that's why, in my opinion, even if we will go slightly below the range of $16, it will be even more attractive. Because in the long term, this company will crash the market. And I covered this stock for multiple times. And in my opinion, it is one of the best tech stocks that we have for now on the market, especially if you consider it with these low prices. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!